Welcome to this learning video on street light installation and maintenance by Power Sector Skill Council, produced in collaboration with SEMCA. This video is aligned to the job role of Assistant Technician, Street Light Installation and Maintenance, QP Code PSS/Q 6003, NOS Code PSS/N 6007 and PSS/N 6008. We are now going to learn the step-by-step procedure for assembly, repair and replacement of lighting system. In this video, we will first see how we can repair damaged LED from an LED street light. Tools need: screwdriver, used to unscrew the installation; multimeter, used to check the circuit; soldering iron and solder wire used for soldering of damaged circuit; spare LEDs for replacement; pencil marker for marking of damaged LED or circuit. Now we will see step-by-step process of repairing. Step 1. Lay the light upside down on a flat surface. Step 2. Unscrew the screw that keeps the glass attached to the casing. Step 3. Keep the clamps aside carefully. Step 4. Gently lift the street light to remove glass. If it does not come off easily, try to take it off by gently knocking on the casing from behind or using a screwdriver. Keep the glass and the silicone lining aside. Step 5. Each LED has a positive and negative terminal. Step 6. The PCB has a clear marking for how the LED should be placed on the PCB. Step 7. We will use the multimeter to locate the damaged LED. Set the multimeter on diode mode. Step 8. Start testing LEDs by touching multimeter red probe to positive terminal of the LED and multimeter black probe to negative terminal. If the LED glows, it means the LED is okay. If the LED does not glow, it means the LED is damaged. Mark this LED with a marker. Test all LEDs in this fashion. Step 9. For all the damaged LEDs, remove them using a soldering iron. Step 10. Solder the new LEDs in place of removed LEDs, making sure the positive and negative terminals are matched properly. Step 11. Test the light carefully without touching inside of the light. Check if light is working properly. If it still does not work like before and you are sure all LEDs are okay, then it is a problem with the driver. Get in touch with the manufacturer or dealer to get a new matching driver. Here we will see how to replace LED driver from an LED street light fixture. Before going to replace the LED drive, we will know the importance of LED driver. LED driver is very important in preventing damage to LEDs, as the forward voltage of a high power LED changes with temperature. Forward voltage is the amount of volts the light emitting diode requires to conduct electricity and light up. As temperature increases, the forward voltage of the LED decreases, causing the LED to draw more current. The LED will continue to get hotter and draw more current until the LED burns itself out. This is also known as thermal runaway. The LED driver is a self-contained power supply which has outputs that are matched to the electrical characteristics of the LED. This helps avoid thermal runaway as the constant current LED driver compensates for the changes in the forward voltage while delivering a constant current to the LED. There are two main types of drivers. Those that use low voltage DC input power, generally 5 to 36 volt DC, and those that use high voltage AC input power, generally 90 to 277 volt AC. LED drivers that use high voltage AC power are called offline drivers or AC LED drivers. Now we will see step-by-step process to replace LED driver. Step 1. Lay the light upside down on a flat surface. Step 2. Unscrew the screw that keeps the glass attached to the casing. Step 3. Keep the glass cover aside carefully. Step 4. Gently lift the street light to remove glass. If it does not come off easily, try to take it off by gently knocking on the casing from behind or using a screwdriver. Keep the glass and the silicone lining aside. Step 5. We have already removed old driver. Step 6. Before fixing LED driver with the body, we are ensure that no any foreign particle are available. Step 7. Now we are fixing LED driver. This is AC LED driver. operating voltage range of 120 to 277 volt, frequency 50 Hz, output voltage range 64 to 143 volt DC, wattage 100 and output current 0.7 ampere DC. Step 8. We have fixed LED driver with the body of light fixture with the help of screw. Step 9. Now you are seeing we are connecting surge protection device output wire with the LED driver's input terminal, connecting earth green wire with the body of light fixture. Step 10. Now we are connecting LED driver output terminal to LED PCB terminal. Step 11. Now we will test the light operation carefully by giving power supply to it without touching inside of the light. You are seeing the light is glowing. If light will not work properly and you're sure all LEDs are good and surge protection device is in order, then it's a problem with the driver. Get in touch with the manufacturer or dealer to get a new matching driver. Step 12. Next, place the silicone lining in its grooves. Step 13. Place the glass into the casing. Step 14. Now we are placing and fixing glass cover. Step 15. Ensuring proper tightness of the screw. Step 16. Now street light fixture is ready to install at light pole. Here we will see how to do repairing of sodium vapor street light fixture. You are watching sodium lamp fixture, which was not in operational condition at street light pole. We have taken it out from the street light pole for repairing. You are seeing the street light fixture's glass part from the outside, which is filled with dust. Now we are going to remove the glass cover with the help of screwdriver. We are seeing the glass from the inside, covered with dust, indicates some kind of internal blast. First we are cleaning the glass dust. Now we will try to find out the fault and will do repairing or replacement of faulty part. Here we are checking the healthiness of the new capacitor with the help of multimeter. We have selected the multimeter for checking the capacitor's capacitance mode. Now we are connecting phase and neutral terminal with the multimeter red and black terminal. Now multimeter showing capacitance value 16.78 microfarad, which is as per capacitor nameplate detail. Means this capacitor is in good condition. Now you are seeing the damaged capacitor in the fixture. We are trying to remove it. Now you can see it was in blast condition. Now we will see the capacitance of damaged capacitor with the help of multimeter. Value coming around 1 microfarad, showing it is damaged as the value not coming as per capacitor nameplate value, that is around 16 microfarad. Also we are replacing it with good capacitor. We have replaced capacitor. Now we will give power supply to light fixture with the help of series lamp and will check its operation. After giving power supply, lamp not glowing, but we are listening some humming sound showing igniter and choke are in good condition. Now we are replacing the sodium vapor lamp. After replacing the sodium vapor lamp, now we will give power supply to light fixture with the help of series lamp and will check its operation. Now it starts glowing, showing our light fixture is in good condition. Now we are fixing the lamp cover of the glass. Now our light fixture is ready for fixing at the street light pole.